Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we explore the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets to make your daily life a little easier and a lot more fun. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker Personal Blender, a compact and stylish appliance that promises to elevate your smoothie game. With its powerful motor, sleek design, and dual jar options, it's got a lot going on. But does it deliver when it comes to performance? Let's find out. This personal blender is powered by a 300-watt motor that runs at a brisk 23,000 RPM, making it capable of pulverizing ice, frozen fruits, and other tough ingredients. Despite its small size, it's designed to crush, blend, and whip up smoothies, milkshakes, and other beverages with ease. What sets it apart is the unique retro-style design, combining functionality with aesthetics. It's compact enough for any countertop, but with its vintage appeal, it'll blend right into your kitchen decor. And it doesn't just look good. It comes equipped with heavy-duty stainless steel blades, which are designed to deliver smooth, creamy results every time. Now, when it comes to the user experience, this blender is all about convenience. It features a simple chrome lever to start and stop the motor, and a multifunction dial for adjusting speed and consistency. There's no confusing array of buttons here, just a straightforward approach to blending. And if you're someone who enjoys variety, you'll appreciate the fact that it comes with two BPA-free jars, a 20.3 jar for larger servings, and a smaller 16.9 mason jar for when you just want a quick snack or single serve. In terms of real-world testing, I put the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker through its paces by blending everything from frozen fruits to ice and greens. The 300 watts motor certainly isn't the most powerful in its category, but I was surprised by how well it handled ice and frozen berries. It didn't completely pulverize them as quickly as higher-powered blenders, but it did get the job done. For something like a quick smoothie or a milkshake, this blender performs admirably, perhaps then, leaving you with a smooth and creamy consistency. However, if you're looking for a blender that can handle larger quantities or more demanding ingredients like whole nuts or fibrous vegetables, you may want to consider a more powerful model. When it comes to ease of use, the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker doesn't disappoint. The chrome lever and multifunction dial are intuitive, and the jars are easy to attach and remove, making cleanup a breeze. After a few uses, it was clear that this blender is built for single-serve convenience. So if you're after a quick and easy way to make a smoothie or shake in the morning, this is a great choice. On the downside, its small size limits its ability to handle larger portions, and it's not quite as fast as some higher-end blenders. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the 300-watt motor does a decent job of crushing ice and frozen fruit, making it great for single-serve smoothies and shakes. The retro design adds a touch of style to your kitchen, and the heavy-duty stainless steel blades ensure smooth blending. The inclusion of two jars, one 20.3 and one 16.9, gives you flexibility depending on how much you're making. Plus, the jars are BPA-free, which is always a win in terms of health and safety. On the downside, its 300 watts motor may struggle with tougher ingredients or larger quantities. It's also not the fastest when it comes to blending, and the small jars might not be ideal for families or those who need to make multiple servings at once. In terms of value for money, the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker offers a solid performance for its price. It's compact, stylish, and functional, making it a great option for those who need a quick, easy way to blend smaller portions. For around the price it's offered at, you're getting a reliable appliance that does what it's meant to do: make smoothies and shakes. If you're looking for something more heavy-duty, there are certainly more powerful options out there, but for single-serve use, this product competes well with similar models at the same price range. Let's take a look at a couple of competitors. The Hamilton Beach Personal Blender, for example, is priced similarly and also offers a compact design. However, it has a slightly lower power output, and while it does well with softer ingredients, it can struggle with frozen fruits and ice. On the other hand, the NutriBullet Pro 900 offers a much more powerful motor and higher versatility, but it comes with a higher price tag. If you're after something that's quicker and more powerful for larger quantities, you may want to consider the NutriBullet or a similar product. In terms of build quality, the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker feels solid. The stainless steel blades are durable, and the retro design adds a fun aesthetic to your kitchen. As for longevity, while there's no extensive long-term data available on this product, based on its construction and the quality of materials used, it's reasonable to expect it to last for a few years with regular use. The inclusion of dishwasher-safe parts also makes maintenance easier and less time-consuming. Customer support wasn't something I needed to test with this product, but given the reputation of the brand, it's safe to assume that they would offer adequate support if needed. Culinary Chef has a history of producing solid kitchen gadgets, so I'm confident they'll stand by their products. For those wondering about software updates, this blender isn't a smart appliance, so there's no need for firmware updates. It's all about the mechanics and the motor, which are reliable as they are. In conclusion, the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker is a well-rounded, budget-friendly option for those who need a compact, stylish blender for single servings. It won't blow you away with its power, but it will handle everyday blending tasks with ease. The design is sleek and adds personality to any kitchen, and the dual jar options make it flexible for different needs. If you're after something quick, easy, and functional for small portions, this is a solid choice. However, if you're looking for a blender that can handle larger quantities or tougher ingredients, you might want to look at something with a bit more power. Before I wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. If you have any questions about the Culinary Chef Retro Smoothie Maker, or if you've tried it yourself, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time here at Reviews Inside TV, where every review gets blended to perfection.